Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer WhatsApp messages from Android to Android. Alright, let's begin. So in order to transfer your chats, you have to follow these steps. First of all, on your old phone, open the WhatsApp app. Once opened, click on the three dots at the top right corner and select Settings. Here, tap on Chats, then scroll down and choose Transfer Chat. After that, simply tap on Start and make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on. WhatsApp will start preparing your chats for transfer, and once that's done, your camera will open to scan a QR code. Now, on your new phone, open WhatsApp, tap on Agree and Continue, and enter the same mobile number that you use on your old phone. Once entered, type in the verification code you receive. After verifying, a QR code will appear on your new phone's screen. Simply scan this QR code using your old phone, and that's it. Your chat data will start transferring to your new Android device. So that's basically how you can transfer WhatsApp messages from Android to Android. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.